Okay, so I've got a little repair to do here on this popcorn ceiling. There's a hole in the ceiling. It's at an apartment, and I'm not quite sure how the hole got in there. It doesn't really matter. So what I need to do is get a smooth surface so that I can put this patch on. And what I'm going to be using there is it's Wal-Board tools. It's an 8x8 drywall patch. So it's going to be a little repair patch, but it's got an adhesive that I just stick on there, slap it on, and it covers it up really easy. But I have to have the surface smooth around it so that I can get that to adhere well, and then mud over it. So right here you see me pull one out, and I'm just sizing it up, and I realize I'm going to need two of them, so I'm going to go ahead and reposition this on the other side, and then clean up the other side a little more so that I can fit the other patch in. Now when I start putting the mud on these, you'll realize that you don't have to do it this way, but I'm starting from the outside, and I'm just smashing it in. That's going to actually get it to adhere to the drywall itself and create a good bond. But overall that's going to happen regardless. I just like starting with the edge in case for some reason the adhesive on the patch wasn't good. So I kind of skim over it a little bit, and I'm just using pre-mixed mud. I'm not watering it down and mixing it up anything special for this. It's nothing pristine. Alright, that's about as good as I'm going to go with it, and then from here I'm going to go ahead and spray on some of the texture. Now when you go to spray this, you're going to want a shield for the walls, and you can use just about anything, piece of paper, cardboard, bag. I used a bag from Wendy's because that's what we had here, and you know, and that way you're just not getting it on the wall. So you can see I'm just shielding off where I don't want it. I'm spraying it, and then I'm also, you notice I fanned out into the popcorn areas past my patch, and that's so I can kind of blend that area in a little bit. You're never going to get the texture the same. They're shooting it through a gun when they put it up there, and you're using it out of a spray can, so it's not going to be exactly the same, but you can get it pretty similar. So you'll notice I sprayed it on there. I patted it down with a paper towel just to, you know, kind of get smaller popcorn size, and then sprayed again and used my knife to knock it back to where I want it.
Yay.